Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to join a workspace in Slack. So first, what you want to do is log in Slack right here. Or go to the Slack website, and if you're not logged in, you just need to log in. And here you can see all of your workspaces. And I currently own this workspace named Chevy Enterprises. I'm just gonna create a new one, or I'm just gonna go here. Until that, there will be no extra steps. So use Slack in your browser. So I'm gonna use Slack on the website. And once I'm here, to add someone. So basically, if you want to join a workspace, you need to be invited to that particular workspace. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Click on add, then type in the email. So type in on it, then click on send. So once that's done, as you can see, they are added, but they're not currently joined. So if they want to join, they need to open up their email or Gmail, and they need to click on the invite button. If they don't have a Slack account, they need to create one. And after they're done with that, they can basically join your workspace. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because I help reach more people. See you in the next one.